Our deal platform makes choosing the right investment easy. Each deal has 2 scores for the likelihood of immigration success and financial success. The deal platform provides transparency, clearly presenting the important terms of each deal. The deal platform also provides a strengths and risks analysis of each offering. Notice how easy it is to compare deals. And our full due diligence reports provide a complete picture. With the deal platform, you're on your way to selecting the right EB5 investment and making your American dream a reality.